Want to get into one of the newest communities in Mineola before the public even finds it? I'm standing in Sugarloaf Ridge, a hidden Lennar development tucked into the hills, and the models aren't even finished yet. They just soft launched, there's no salesperson on site, and very few people even know this exists. Today, I'm giving you an early access walkthrough of the Capri floor plan, just under 2,100 square feet, so you can see exactly what Lennar is building before pricing and inventory go wide. Hey, so I'm here at Sugarloaf Ridge. This is a brand new Lennar community in Mineola that not too many people even know about it because it's kind of hidden down here in the hills behind some other new developments that are still emerging. So they just had their grand opening this past weekend. Their models aren't even complete, so you are literally one of the first people to know about this. And I'm going to show you around really quick a couple of the models that they have. They're, like I said, they're not complete. And if you look behind me, these are all the homes that are in the community completely. They're still all under construction, and you can see all the land that they have here. I'm only touching on a very small portion of how big this community really is. But I'm going to show you around two models that they have so far and give you a little sneak peek into what's going on. And you can be one of the first ones to live in here and get in the bottom floor. The first home is not scheduled to be completed and delivered until January. So you still have a little bit of time, but I'm sure they're offering some great incentives. There's not a salesperson on site here yet. So I'm going to go try and talk to my friend Danielle that works in another community that knows all about this one. Once I give you a little insight here, and we'll get the lowdown on exactly what to do and what information you might need. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll be sure to answer all of them. If you want early access to communities like this before pricing goes public, check the link in the description. I send out new construction alerts with everything the builders don't post online. Okay, so I'm here in Sugarloaf Ridge still, and I'm going to show you the Capri model. This home here is just under 2,100 square feet, so it's much smaller. It doesn't have the apartment to it, but it is a really nice floor plan, and I'm kind of excited that Lennar's changing things up a bit and offering some different style homes than they've traditionally done in some other communities. So this one here, all the bedrooms are upstairs, so the downstairs is just living space, but you can see how nice and wide this hallway is when you first enter. You've got the garage that that's just a linen closet. You've got a half bath downstairs, and then wide open living space. Very similar finishes to their other model. They've got the white shaker style cabinets, the quartz countertops, all light in color. You've got, this one's, again, it's not fully complete yet, but you've got a tile backsplash, dishwasher, farmhouse style sink. You've got a connectivity port up here on the countertop that you can plug in your devices. That's really handy. You do have covered outdoor space here that you can still do some things. And these yards are quite large. Out here, we're out a little bit away from the city, so the lot sizes are going to be a little bit bigger, which is really nice. Okay, so let's take a look at the rest of the house. We've seen most of the living area. This is the garage. So they've got some items stored out here, but you've got a full-size 2-car garage with an opener. There's only the water heater out here obstructing, space-wise. You've got 9'4" ceilings out here, so you can do the racks that mount to the ceiling for extra storage if you like. So lots of space out there. And it's nice and convenient because as soon as you walk in, you've got countertops to set your groceries on or drop your keys or do whatever you like there. So it's a nice location for the garage. And again, I love how wide these hallways are. You've got an obstructed window there. And so again, everything is upstairs. So you've got this nice long, tall staircase going upstairs to all the bedrooms. And you've still got room for a little loft up here. So you've got a little bonus area right here that you can do a little playroom, a home office, gym, craft room, gaming area, whatever you want to do. There's plenty of space here. You've got this great big wall on this side that you can hang TVs or any kind of wall units or whatever you like. So let's start down this way. We're going towards the front of the house now. There's 3 bedrooms over here that share a bathroom. And now these bedrooms are a little bit smaller. Again, this house is only about 2,100 square feet. So these rooms are probably about 10 by 10. They still have a little walk-in closet. And then this one here, this is right at the front of the house. And it's got a good sized walk-in closet that's even got a window in it. And then you've got another one down the hallway here. There's a little linen closet here. So all your laundry, all your bedrooms are all upstairs, so that's really convenient. So you've got these 2 bedrooms that share this bathroom. And then you've got the primary bedroom off to the right. And the primary is right here. So again, nice tall ceilings, lots of space in here. This is probably about 14 by 14, 12 by 14, something like that. Plenty of light coming in again, looking out the backyard. And then your ensuite bathroom. So you've got a dual sinks with under mount sinks. And this huge, again, great big shower. And then a walk-in closet. It goes really deep. So lots of space here. So you can see that they have changed up some of their floor plans pretty nice. Some of the older ones have really narrow hallways. The rooms aren't situated so great, but this is a new model for them, so I'm excited to see pricing and those kind of things and availability. So if you're interested, again, drop some comments in the section below and reach out to me. I'm happy to get you as much information as you need. If you're not looking for something right away, this might be a good community for you. And I'll be doing an interview with the sales consultant that's for this community so we can get the lowdown on everything.
So that's a sneak peek at Sugarloaf Ridge. If you want pricing, incentives, or to secure one of these early lots, reach out. I'll connect you with the right people and get you the details before the crowd show up. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe if you want more early access tours around Mineola, Claremont, and the surrounding area. See you on the next video.
And as always, this information is on the house.